Even if you're not an experienced investor, what are the smartest questions you can ask an AIF or a PMS provider? Because the quality of your questions often decides the quality of your investments. Let's start with costs. Instead of only asking what are the fees, go deeper. Ask what is the average brokerage or transaction cost you incur. Are there any soft arrangements with the brokers that influence research or execution? What are the caps on operational expenses or fund level costs? Next, try to understand how the strategy actually works. Ask them, how do you build positions? How do you deploy capital gradually or invest in large blocks? How do you decide when to exit a position? Because in both PMS and AIF structures, entry and exit discipline often matters more than entry timing. Now, here's something most investors just skip. In PMS, ask them, can I see how performance differs between time periods or entry batches? In an AIF, it's often about how do you report your portfolio and at what level of detail is actually shared. Because sometimes transparency varies by structure and you should know what you will and will not see. One other question could be, can I speak to an investor with a similar profile? Because this helps you understand real experience, not just marketing presentations. And finally, risk management. What would make you reduce exposure, pause deployment, or completely exit a position or theme? Because that reveals how the manager behaves under stress. So the key idea is simple. Don't evaluate an AIF or a PMS only on returns. Evaluate them on process, transparency, and discipline. Because in investing, returns are visible, but how these returns are generated is what truly defines the experience. Thank you. See you soon.
Please note this content is intended purely for education and discussion purposes. It should not be construed as investment or tax advice. Please evaluate suitability and consult your respective financial and tax advisors before making any decisions.